Welcome to episode 25 of Street Sense with me, Maxwell Mensah. You can call me Talent Man. On this episode, I'm going to share with you 7 things you should always do for your boyfriend or your girlfriend. 7 things you should always do for your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Look, the guy you are dating is special. The lady you are dating is special. You are dating them because you loved them, because you saw something good in them, and that is why you the guy, went to propose to her, and that is why you, the lady, you accepted him. And so when you start dating a person, don't accept the person or don't ask the person out and then start taking the relationship too casual. The moment you take a relationship casual, it starts to fail. It starts to dwindle. It starts to go down. The moment you stop doing the things you did that got the lady's attention or that made the guy love you, the relationship starts to fail. And so 7 things you need to do always for your boyfriend or your girlfriend. But before I get into it, I want to remind you, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment for me, and share the video. Let's begin. The first thing you should always do for your boyfriend or your girlfriend, compliment him or her. Compliment him or her. Your lady is beautiful. Everyone knows she's beautiful. Even if no one knows she's beautiful, you know she's beautiful. Tell her always. Always let her know how beautiful she is. Let her know how appreciative you are of her. Let her know how much you love her. Let her know that, that dress she wore is very nice on her. That heel she has worn looks very gorgeous on her. That hairstyle she has done is so nice. That makeup she has done, she's so beautiful. Your guy too, let him know you appreciate him. Let him know you love him. Let him know how handsome he is. Let him know that shirt he just wore, you love it. Let him know the haircut he has done. Oh God, it kills you. Let him know that, when he wears blazers, the way he looks in it, Charlie, compliment your guy, compliment your lady. Sometimes it happens that the guys may be complimenting their ladies, but the ladies don't compliment the guys because ladies feel guys don't need compliments. Guys are, hardcore, so they don't need compliments. Who told you? Guys also need compliments. So just as you want him to compliment you, you too learn to compliment him. Let him know he's handsome. Let him know he's nice. Let him know what he's wearing looks good on him. Let him know that shoe he has bought, Charlie, when he puts his leg inside, it makes you want to hug him the whole day. Let him know that perfume when he puts it on. It does something to you. And my guy, ladies, they my ears inside they sweet them. And so you are dating her, tell her nice things. Tell her nice things as often as you can. Don't say it, don't water it down. Don't water down her compliments or the compliments you give to her. Always let her know how beautiful she is, how nice she is, how sexy she is, how attractive she is. Tell her, compliment her. Next thing, celebrate him or her. Make him or her feel like a king or a queen. Make him or her feel special. Assure him or her of your love. See, the more you celebrate your guy or your lady, the more they love you. The more they love you. Let them know that, look, Charlie, in this whole world, there are so many beautiful ladies, but you are the most beautiful lady I've ever seen. You are the hottest lady I've ever known. You are the lady with the nicest body I've ever seen. You are the guy with the nicest beard I've ever seen. You are the guy with the nicest bald head I've ever seen. Let him know you appreciate him. Celebrate him, kakra. My guy, celebrate your lady, kakra. Kro no, bema no, kro ba no. Mani trimunya ne de. Let your lady feel special. Let your guy feel special, and they won't cheat on you. You were watching the one about whether a lady who will cheat on you, a guy who will cheat on you. If they don't let you cheat on you, do the right thing. Celebrate your guy. Celebrate your lady. Compliment him. Compliment her. Let the person feel special always. And indeed, they are special. Indeed, they are special. So celebrate your guy always. Celebrate your lady always. Let them feel special. Let them feel like they are the world's finest king or the world's finest queen. Celebrate them always. Next thing, spend time with him or her. Spend time with him or her. And see, you can't claim to be in love with someone or you can't claim to be dating someone when you don't want to spend time with the person. If you don't want to spend time with me and I'm dating you, then why am I with you? Why am I with you? Oh, okay, wait, unless it's a long distance relationship, that one cool. You can't spend physical time. But even that, spend time on phone, spend virtual time together. Have video calls, have Zoom calls, have WhatsApp video calls. Hang out often, chat often on WhatsApp. Spend time with the person you are with. Spend time with the person you are with. Let me say it again. Spend time with the person you are with. Don't claim to be too busy that you can't spend time with the lady you are dating. Don't claim to be so busy you can't spend time with the guy you're dating. Spend time. So look, intentionally create the time to spend with the lady you're dating. Intentionally create the time to spend with the guy you're dating. Intentionally. See, sometimes try and even change the routine. Don't always spend time with them in the room, in the bed. That one is normal. It's normal. Sometimes change the routine, change the things you do with them. And the end goal is always to spend time with the guy or the lady you are dating. Don't claim to be too busy that you don't have time to spend with your lady. It is wrong. It is wrong. Don't be too busy. You can't make time to spend time with your boyfriend or your girlfriend. It is wrong. Else, okay, you are busy, right? The guy who is not busy will still hear from you. The lady who is not busy will still hear from you. So be there and be claiming you are busy. You are busy. You alone, you are so busy with your work, with church, with other things. Okay, you are busy, Abi. All right. When somebody steals hair from you, you will see. When someone steals things from you, you will see. You are the one who come and cry, come and hit me up in my inbox. So spend time with the lady or the guy you are dating. Next thing you should do for your boyfriend or your girlfriend, help them do their chores. Help them do their chores sometimes. It shouldn't be a daily routine for you. Just say, oh dear, every weekend, you go to his house, you go and wash for him, you go and clean his house, you go and cook for him for the week, you go and wash his clothes, you go and iron his clothes, you go and do everything for him. Hey, madam housemaid, madam girl maid. You're not his maid, though. You are not his maid. And my guy, you're not her maid. But it is just nice. You see, it is just nice to help them with their chores sometimes. So you go to visit her and then she's cooking. Help her with the cooking. Help her. Even sometimes offer to be the one to cook for her. You've gone to visit him and he's washing. If you can or if you want to, offer to just help him to wash. Not because, it is share, like I say, it's compulsory for you to do. It's not compulsory for you to wash for him. It is not compulsory for you to do his house chores for him. It is not compulsory to do it for him. But when you go there and he's doing those things, or when you go there and she's doing those things, it is just nice. See, fair. Nice that it is nice. Beauty that it is beauty. That you go to visit your guy and he's cooking and you help him to cook. It is just nice. It is just nice. You go and visit him and he's washing. You help him to wash. It is just nice. Or he's not washing, but he's feeling too lazy to wash, or he's not feeling well, and you offer to wash for him once. It's cool. But don't make it just say your responsibility for being his girlfriend is to go to his house every weekend to go and wash for him, every weekend to go and cook for him, every weekend to go and cook for him, every weekend to go and clean his house for him. Hey, abawa. You're not a maid. You're not his maid. And gentlemen, you're not a maid. Offer to do it for them sometimes. Help them with their chores, but don't make it your responsibility. Help them, but don't make it your responsibility. The next thing, call them spontaneously or text them spontaneously. You, dear, you are so busy that you can't even call your girlfriend or your boyfriend the whole day, and you are comfortable. You are comfortable. You haven't spoken with him the whole day, 2 days, and you are okay. You are so okay. Just say, even if you don't hear from him for a whole week, you are so okay. It's normal to you. Oh, and I say, me and my guy, then we can go off for like 2 days, 3 days, 1 week. We don't talk, and then we come back and we are still talking. Hey, it's a sign of an unhealthy relationship you're having. It's an unhealthy one. If you really love the guy, if you really love the lady, spontaneously call the person, chat with the person often. You are working, you are very busy. I know you are very busy. You are a very busy guy. You are the busiest guy in the world. But just take your phone and just text her, baby, I love you. That's all. You're not going to send him 2,000 Ghana cedis for her to go and spend, though. No. Just take your phone. You are so busy. Just say you are so busy to the point that you can't even make time to handle your phone. But when there's something important for you to do on your phone, you still go to your phone anyway. So no matter how busy you are, just take your phone and say, baby, how is the day going? I'm thinking about you. Just that, you will make her day. Hey, lady, you are so busy at the office. Just take your phone and just send him a voice note. Hi, baby, I miss you so much. I wish you were here with me. Just that, oh. I'm not saying go and send nude picture or nudity. No. Just a spontaneous text, a spontaneous call. Hi, baby, I'm just calling to find out how your day is going. I didn't call to chat. I'm just calling to find out how your day is going. Have a good day. I love you. Bye-bye. That's just it. Spontaneous call, spontaneous text. Look, it just brings some excitement into your guy's heart, some excitement into your lady's heart. It makes them know that, oh, really, my guy really loves me. My lady really loves me. Spontaneous calls and spontaneous texts. Next thing to do, hey, this one, I can't see what I've been written here. Brag about her to others or brag about him to others. Brag about your lady kakra. Ow! Brag about your lady kakra. Is she beautiful? Hey? Is she attractive? Is she a good lady? Brag about her. Let people know that actually the lady you're dating is so special. The guy you're dating is so special. I'm not saying you're going to do it just for social media likes. So no, 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 no. For far from that. Far from trying to do things to make social media see you as, hey, this guy there, and then the girl there, and so good. No, 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 no. Because look, some people are posting nice pictures with their boyfriend, their girlfriends on social media, but they are quarreling in their home or they are quarreling in their relationship. Things are not going well. I'm not saying do the things for the social media, likes or social media comments and couple goals, relationship goals. No, forget about that one. Do it out of a place of genuine appreciation for your wife. Brag about her. You go somewhere with your lady and you don't want people to even see that's your lady. Hey, oh no, not me. Not me. If I am dating you and we go somewhere, people must know that's my girlfriend. I mean, I can't be dating you, then we go somewhere, then I'm hiding you, like I'm just working as if there's nothing between us. No, I will hold your hand. I'll put my hand around you. I will look into your eye. I will stare into your eye. I will admire you. People will see me admiring you. And ladies, do it to your guys. Brag about your guy. Well, these days people are being too careful because you don't want to go and brag about a guy or about a lady, and then one day he breaks your heart or she breaks your heart. Then you have to now go and undo all the bragging. Sometimes you probably in your past relationship you are really posting your lady all the time, and then she broke your heart. So now you can't post your current girlfriend, or you were posting your boyfriend every day. You even use him as your DP. You are always posting him on social media. Anywhere you go, anywhere you're going, you go with him, and then now he has broken your heart. And so, through the embarrassment, you don't want to post your new guy. You don't want to go places with him. You don't want to tell people about him. It's up to you. If you don't do it, and somebody else does, and they take your boyfriend or girlfriend from you, if you will go cry again. But for me, when you're dating someone, brag about them. Let the person know that, look, you are really happy to have them. You are really grateful to God to have them. And so you are not shy to show them off to your friends, to your family, to people on social media. Charlie, if it works for you, do it. If you're not a social media person, fine. I mean, it's not by force. It's not by force to do it. But what I'm saying is that when you're with a person, if you can't post on social media, crampono, when you're with them at a place, people must know that this is your guy or this is your lady. I mean, like, why am I dating you? We go to a place and then I'm hiding you from people. Forget it. The next thing, send opportunities her way or his way. Send opportunities his way or her way. You are working and then you find a nice book. I mean, at a bookshop. I mean, you enter a bookshop and then you find a nice book. Buy it for her. Let her read and let her, advance or develop herself better. You see a job placement on social media and then you know she's looking for a job. Forward it to her. Help her to apply for that job. You know of an opportunity that can help him get a very good business deal that will help his business grow. Connect into that business. Connect into that opportunity. Connect into that contract. Connect into that. Connect your boyfriend. Connect your girlfriend to opportunities that will help them to advance in life, to become better people in life. Whether it is job opportunities or some funding opportunity or something like. When you see an opportunity that can help your boyfriend or your girlfriend, share it with them. Share it with them. Don't keep it to yourself. I don't even know why you keep it to yourself. Are you a jealous boyfriend, a jealous husband who doesn't want your girl to progress in life? No. When you find opportunities that you know will help your girlfriend, share it with her. Share it with her. If you find opportunities that will help your boyfriend, share with him. It just tells them that, look, my boyfriend cares about me. My girlfriend cares about me. They are concerned about my growth. They are concerned about me advancing in life. So share opportunities with them. Share opportunities with them. Sometimes intentionally go and look for opportunities and share with them. It will make them so happy. Next thing you should do always for your boyfriend or your girlfriend, and this one is a surprise one. I've shared the 7. So a bonus one, surprise her once a while. Surprise her once a while. My dear, my guy, my lady, surprise your girlfriend kakra. Surprise your boyfriend kakra. Surprise them with something. With a gift, with a hangout, with a dinner date, with something. You there, you are so finching, you are always one way in kwan. Surprise them kakra. Do things out of the blue. Do things you've never done before. Try something new. Surprise them with something. It spices up the relationship. It adds some spice to the relationship. If it's financial and you have money, you can do it, fine. Go ahead and do it. If not, just something little you can do to surprise your boyfriend. He's at the office. Just, go to the office unannounced and just send him lunch. It's a nice thing to do. Go to the office, send her lunch. Just a nice thing to do. Or order lunch and ask the delivery company to go and deliver to her at the office. Surprise her. Something, like, look for something nice you can do to surprise your boyfriend or your girlfriend once a while, and to spice up your relationship. I wish you the very best in your relationship. I pray that, all things will go well for you, so that the effort you are putting into your relationship will really yield the results you desire. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Street Sense with me, Maxwell Mensah. I am very appreciative of you for staying with me. But if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe now. Like this video, leave a comment for me, I'll reply, and share the video. I will see you on the next episode. My name hasn't changed. I am still Maxwell Mensah, and you can call me Talent Man.